Welcome to day 7 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we'll be looking at how to cluster large groups of points together. Real quick, if you haven't seen days 1 through 6, be sure to check those out. And if you completed the day 6 challenge, find the solution in the video description below. In our last tutorial, we saw how to add static text to a map, giving the user a bit more context and added readability of the features. Now today we're focused on making the user experience a bit more pleasant by grouping many points into one. When dealing with a large data set, clustering can help make the map more visually manageable, enhance the performance through faster load times, and can help with analyzing geographic patterns, as clusters can indicate areas of interest or significance. Since the last few videos involved manipulating a feature layer in different ways, let's go back to the code from day 1 to start with a basic map again and see how to add a clustered feature layer this time. To create clusters, the first thing I'll need to do is open up my HTML file and bring in the Leaflet marker cluster and Esri Leaflet cluster libraries from CDN. In my JavaScript file, in order to use clusters, the plugin needs to understand the map's maximum zoom level. So I'll set this in my map. Now I can use the cluster option of the Esri Leaflet feature layer plugin to cluster my points by setting my feature layer URL and adding it to my map. I'll open this up in the browser and see my clustered points. For today's challenge, try using different options with the Leaflet marker cluster. These could be things such as disable clustering at zoom or changing the max cluster radius. Share your ideas in the comments below. And that concludes day 7. Tomorrow we'll learn how to style these clustered points. Thanks for watching and happy coding.